It's just me and you.
Hi guys! So today's video, I'll be doing the defense makeup look sa mga graduating dyan. And yeah, may thesis naman, diba? I think majority naman sa mga graduating, merong thesis or feasibility studies, whatever studies is that. I want to achieve for this look is a very like natural, pero parang presentable, ganon. This is my take on if magde-defend na ako, this is what I want my makeup to look. Presentable but not too much. I want something very like natural lang, na parang no makeup look. For this makeup, parang enhancing your natural features lang. Ganun yung aking peg for this look. If you want to learn how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Bye! much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching. I'm really sorry if this video is a little bit very parang natural. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!